In
Sabua.
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 Is this your first time you come? Oh, what places do you know?
Hello.
I know Paris. I had been in the Philippines and England and what else? I Germany, Italy, yeah, and Africa. Yeah.
We have been to 70 countries, 60 países en el mundo.
Oh, I don't remember. I like Celine Dion. What's your favorite? I like Kevin Costner. Yeah. What's your favorite? Actress.
Who played in the Swan.
One. Yeah. But I don't know his name, but I like her. What's your favorite artist? No, I don't have. Your favorite
Who?
Yes, Victor Hugo, I can. What's your favorite freedom? I don't appreciate.
We have not started, we just arrived.
We arrived last night. We don't have it yet. And what do you say?
We would like to try Kui.
Yes.
Kui.
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 Koi.
Imit of alpaga also. We saw in our book that we can eat. It is very different. That's why.
Dad, do you think of Peruvian people? They're nice. Oh, okay. And friendly.
How friendly?
Friendly.